Happy New Year, lovelies. Welcome back to eMarket Show. This is a place whereby we give you the tips on how to make money using your smartphone. No investing anything. Happy New Year once again. 2026 is already here and it is proving to be better. My question, you guys, is as you see that we are people who always talk about how to make money with your smartphone. My question is, how was last year? How was 2025 as far as content creation is concerned and far as earning is concerned? Let us know. And in any way, if it was good or if it was not good, like us, we just came back to YouTube for uploads. We had been restricted for 1 week not to upload, so we entered the year without uploading anything. But we praise God that we are already here. Now, you might find you have an excuse, but before that, you guys, welcome back. This is a mind-blowing video, and this is a place that I will tell you is a disclaimer. We are not financial consultants. We are not people who are telling you that if you try these things we are doing, you're going to get millions. No. We are telling you guys, this is educational channel. We give you tips, the rest is yours. You can add, you can subtract. So the question of it was, your year might have not been good as far as content creation, or it was best. So if it was best, keep it up and continue, because you have to do that. And if it wasn't good, we sat down now in 2025. You should have known why it wasn't good. But if you did not sit down yourself, if you did not put yourself in a meeting, this is 2026. It's not yet over until it is over. Our mission, our aim is to make sure that we make money on these channels with our smartphone. Now, I'll give you a highlight of what you should know or what you should start from right now practicing. One, practice in your mind, knowing that this platform is my business. This platform is my project. If I don't treat it like a business, it means I will go into losses. That is one. You might ask yourself, how do you get losses? It's something that you've not invested in. You get losses in a way that as other people are earning, you're just there, you're not earning. So I beg you, put it in your mind and say, this is a business. Second, I want you to timetable yourself. Put a schedule. A schedule has helped me so much. As you watch this video wasn't made the day it is watched. It means I did it some time back. I have a schedule to make sure that I don't overlap and I don't cheat one platform and you find another platform is moving forward. So the moment you put a schedule, you'll follow. Pin your board and let it be clear. The third one, make sure you put consistency. Consistent, let it be like in front of your forehead. You know that if consistent, I'm not talking about once in a year or once in a week. I'm putting, if you cannot post every day, at least post 3 times. And will not only remain on posting, but there are other things you do, like you check your analytics, you see where you're going. Do you know, I always listen to myself, and when people find me listening to myself, they say, why do you watch yourself? Because I want to see where I made a mistake, where I can improve, what I can do. Then the third one is to make sure that you learn and relearn. When you learn new things, it means the way your videos change. How do you learn new things? Like you can learn things online, you can do editing tutorials for yourself, as in terms you go and learn them, and there are many more things, because everything is changing every day. So if you don't learn something new in your editing, in your shooting, in your posting, it means you might not make it work. So what we need to do, so don't mind about the background noise. When I'm talking about background noise, that term, I mean the type of clothes I'm wearing, the place where I am. No. In any situation, you can make a video. If you are in a noisy place, yeah, you cannot do it. But if you know that you're not noisy place, you cannot change it, then you can move out. go to the park, make a video, come back and start editing your video. On CapCut, you'll find the provision where to reduce the background noise. So if you've made your video from like outside in the park, you can come and remove those filters. Even me who makes from the house, AC makes noise. You can hear people praying. So I will not stop the video of shooting because people are praying outside. So you have to know that. And time management is one of the things that you need to have. Time management in the sense that, like the way you schedule things, if you know today I'm supposed to schedule, at least make sure it is scheduled. You guys, can I go forward and we talk about we can talk about gadgets. If you've started or you've not yet started, please don't focus more on gadgets, because gadgets can never be right until you have already started. Don't mind about what type of phone. You don't have camera, you don't have microphone, you don't have ring light, no. Start the way you can. Then last but not least, this is like a pro tip or a bonanza. If you're on YouTube, make use of YouTube content and also run Facebook. You can be a multitasker. What does this help you in 2026? It means if Facebook has not reached the threshold of being paid, YouTube will give me money. So you'll find yourself, and you're using the same content. So guys, as we've entered this year, you can see the one I'm making this video, I'm not feeling okay, but I had to do it. So let 26 be the year of an endless achievements, and I know we're going to make it. You will make it, I'll make it. Thank you very much. See you in another video.